After using your machine, we recommend you purge the steam wand for a couple of seconds so as to clear any remaining milk in the steam wand. To clean the steam wand after using it, wipe it down thoroughly with a damp cloth and lower it to purge automatically. This should be done after every use. If the steam wand becomes blocked during operation, it will stop working immediately. The steam button, milk temperature, and texture lights will flash. If any holes on the steam wand tip become blocked, this should be cleaned using the steam tip cleaning tool, as even partially blocked holes may affect the performance of the steam wand. To unblock, use the spanner in the middle of the steam wand cleaning tool to unscrew the tip. Soak the tip in hot water, then replace the tip back onto the steam wand before using the cleaning tool to unblock. Then press the steam button to purge the steam wand after cleaning.